of the matrix. Do you see, guys, the question here? It says find the dimensions of the given matrix. So how many rows you see here? Can you guys count how many rows? You hear me?
Is it 4?
Yeah, 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can go like this. These are rows here. And then 2 columns, right? So that's why the order of the matrix is 4 by 2. Now they're saying identify the given entry, D32. So what does 32 mean? Third row, right? So first, second, third row, second column. Isn't it 6 here? Third row, second column, 3, 2. That's why it is 6. So these are very simple, basic questions. So you have same in this. Next, they're saying, given that matrix A is 5 by 7 and matrix B is 7 by 5, find the dimension of A plus B. So we are adding matrices, is that right? So if you add matrices, do you see that the order of A and B are same or different? What do you see? Different order, isn't it? A has 5 rows, 7 columns. B has 7 rows, so not same. You cannot add them. So you say undefined. So dimension is undefined. First part undefined, second part undefined. That's why you write twice. Next, this is 5 by 7, 5 by 7. So definitely you can add and dimension will be same, 5 by 7. Yeah. Next, number 5. Look at this question. In this question we have x plus y is one element, y plus z is another element, g plus w and then w. So how many elements we see here? 1, 2, 3, 4 elements, right? So these 4 elements meaning is x plus y is 3, y plus z is 5. Do you guys understand, or should I write some of them? I'll show you.
Would you mind writing this out, please?
Sure. So the meaning of this one is, now you see x plus y. You see my handwriting?
Yes.
So x plus y is 3, the first element. Then you have y plus g equals 5. And then you have g plus w is 6. And then w equals 3. If w equals 3, I can put it back here. So g plus 3 equals 6. So this is back substitution. We have seen already in chapter 4. So then w is 3, so then g plus 3 is 6. That means g is 3. So once I get z equals 3, I can put it back here, isn't it? So y plus 3 equals 5, then y equals 2. And once I know y, I can put it back here. So you get x plus 2 equals 3, then x equals 1. So my solution is x equals 1, y equals 2, z equals 3, and w is already given 3. And do you see the answer here?
Yes, thank
so
you.
They have the bracket already. You can just type 1, 2, 3, 3. That's it. Done. Now, number 6. They just ask you to add. What do you do? Just add the numbers, isn't it? 0 will be added with 0.25. So the first element is 0.25. Second element in the first row will be negative 1 plus 3. Right? So what happens when you put it there? Okay, so you just add them and then find. So they're asking a plus b. So a plus b, you just plug the values there. Okay, Let me see what else we have, any reaction in there. Okay, so we need to cover actually those things, right? So then we will put 0.25 here and then 2 here, and then next what we get, what they're saying is evaluate the given expression, take A equals this, B equals 3. So what we see actually, how many rows columns we need to use. I will have 3 rows and 2 columns, is that right? So there are 2 elements I'll put here, and that one you keep blank, okay? And then you go to the next one here. So next one gives you -2 plus 0 is -2, you plug here in this box. And then the next box will be 0 plus 0.5 is 0.5. You put there, and then go to the third here, -2 because 1 minus 3, and then this column you just leave blank, okay? Because we don't have elements on this. Is that right? You get it?
Yes.
Okay. So those are the elements. Same way here. They are saying A plus B minus C. So first you add with A and B, add A, B, and then the answer you got, you subtract C. Or you can do at a time. 0 plus 0.25 minus -1, isn't it? But carefully do it. But this thing also can be done in the calculator. Okay, I'll show you later. First you understand how we can do it by hand. Because C has a negative here, so all the elements you have see inside will have sign change, right? -C. Yeah, and then you add. And then if you need to watch videos, it is both here and also in my notes. Okay, so these are all simple type. Now when you have a 4a plus 0.5c, this is called matrix addition with scalar multiplication, isn't it? So the meaning of 4a is we multiply all these entries by 4, and all the entries here we multiply by 0.5, and after that we add. Okay, so you can see all very straightforward. Now what is the meaning of number 9? Can you tell me please, if you know? How should we do number 9? Anyone? Because you have seen when we have a T on the top, what does it mean? We rotate the matrix, right? Transpose. So you can see like this. I show you. You have A is this, so then AT will be a matrix like first row is 0, -5, that will be first column. Second row is 5, 0, it will be first column, second column. Third row is -5, 4, that will be third column. -5, 4. So that is your A transpose. Now what they are saying? Scalar multiplication with 2. So that gives you 0, 10, -10, -10, 0, 8, isn't it? And we are done. So this is 2 times transpose of the matrix A. Okay. So then you just need to put your entries. Now the entries, you see that why they give you like this. Now I need to put 0, 10, -10 in the first row, then -10, 0, 8 in the second row, and third row I keep blank. Okay. Let's see next. Question please. Yeah, if you don't ask anything, I assume that you are getting it and it's very simple. That's why we can move on here. Okay. Yeah, they are asking something like you first transpose A, transpose C, then make the scalar multiplication and then add. So my suggestion will be do it step by step, okay? Not add it completely in one place. First you find A transpose right here, find your C transpose, then multiply C transpose by 3. After that you add them. So in that way you will not make mistake. But don't try to do in one place, okay? And that's all we have in section 5.1. Okay. Question please before I move to next section. Yeah. Matrix A is of order 7 by 8 and matrix B 8 by 2. So you can see A is on the left side, B is on the right side, and we're looking for AB, and you see that 8, 8 matches in the middle. So then we say yes, it is possible, and the dimension of AB will be 7 by 2. So the 8 is neutralized. Okay, it will be 7 by 2. So first they are just giving us questions to have some understanding whether multiplication is valid or not. Next, if you go in number 2, 7, 8, 7, 2, why it is undefined? Can you guys tell me briefly?
Because the 8 and the 7 aren't the same.
Yeah, in the middle doesn't match. Good.
Correct.
Yeah, very good. AB is not possible. Is BA possible? If I put B first and then A, is it possible?
No, because then they would be 2, so they don't match either.
Right, they don't match either. So AB, BA both undefined. Good. All right.